We've been talking about doing core exercises and different techniques to work the muscles all the way around the core. But sometimes the exercises are too intense. Doing planks can be quite a lot of work for the abdominals, especially if you've got a sore back. So how do we start working things a little bit more gently, a little bit more easily? We can just use leaning against a wall. So I can do a plank effectively just by standing, moving my feet back from the wall. Now I'm going to keep my back in that nice neutral position as I'm standing, but I'm just going to walk my feet back a little bit so that I'm leaning into the wall. Now, as I'm holding that, I'm stopping my hips from rolling in or sliding in. That's my abdominal muscles holding that. And I'm working my abs as I'm doing that. Now, you can make it very gentle if I'm just going here and just moving my feet back by a couple of inches, or I can make it more intense if I go further back. Then I can progress down to maybe putting my hands on a kitchen counter and walking my feet back further. And as you get further and further towards the horizontal, you're making it harder and harder on the abs to the point you're doing a full plank lying on the ground. Same thing doing a side bridge. I could just stand, walk my feet out a little bit, and just hold myself from falling in sideways. And as I get better, I can move my feet out a little bit further, make it a little harder. Again, progress doing that on a countertop. And of course, I could do the same thing with my back muscles. I could put my shoulders up against the wall and walk my feet out a little bit. So I'm just using those back muscles to stop myself from falling into the wall. I'm holding that there. Any one of those will help work some of those core muscles in a more gentle way and let you progress towards harder and harder exercises to make things work a little bit better. That should give you some help. If you need some more specific advice, give us a call at the clinic and we'll get you started.